Hello and welcome. So we got another resin project today, and guess what? Surprise! This one isn't going to be alien themed. Shocker. So I'm going to do another 3D wall hanging. So I'm going to paint this black, obviously, and for the filler this time, I'm just going to use these golden rings. They're just wooden rings that I painted gold. Nothing special. So I'm going to put them in here in a pattern, essentially, and I'm just going to, obviously I'm going to have a base color of resin that I'm going to sit these on, and then I'm just going to go through and I'm going to fill each one probably with a different color. I don't know what colors I'm going to use yet. We're just going to wing it, see how it turns out. Really excited about this one. I think it's going to turn out really cool because these are a lot thicker than any of the other fillers I've put in the other wall hangings. So I think this is really gonna jump out at you a lot more, and it'll be nice to have, something a little more simplistic with just, the rings and the colors inside of them. So it's gonna be another long process, probably not as long as the alien wall hangings I did, because really I can probably get this done in like 3 layers, maybe 4. So a couple of days, but a couple of days is a couple of days. So let's get started. So it's all finished curing and it looks pretty good. The only thing, a couple things I guess. The little green ring that I put at the bottom is not really visible. I didn't really take that into account. I mean, you can see it if you look close enough, but it's not really visible, which is fine, whatever. I didn't really take into account that these rings here would cover it up, but it's fine. And the other thing, I really don't care too much for this shade of yellow I did here. Kind of makes it look a little, gives it kind of a 70s vibe, which is, I mean, that's okay. I mean, it's kind of cool. Looks like a late 60s, early 70s kind of color scheme there. But, you know, some people like that. I think it's all right. But, looks pretty good. I actually filled this all the way up to the rim. Not much room to dome it. I don't think I could really dome it if I tried, because there's not really, I don't want to risk overflowing it, because it is pretty much, I mean, there's maybe a hair of space there between the top of the wood and the resin, but looks pretty good. I'll probably sell this. We're having a garage sale soon. I'll see if I can get a little bit of money out of it at the garage sale. If not, I might put it up on Etsy. We'll see. But yeah, cool 3D effect. I've even considered maybe busting the wood off here so you can see the sides of the resin. I don't know if I want to risk that. I don't want to risk breaking the whole thing. I don't know how easy it would be to pop that wood off there, but I may or may not try that. But it's done. Turned out good. And yeah, I've got one more little wooden hexagon thing, and I've got a couple triangle ones. Those are deeper, so I can probably get some more cool, more 3D looking effect in those, because they're about twice as deep as this one, almost. So I can really put some thicker stuff in there to really show the 3D effect. But pleased with this, and that's that.